Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to view the downloads location on Google Chrome. Whether you're looking for a recently downloaded file or want to check where your downloads are being saved, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. This is the gateway to all your browsing and downloading activities. Once your browser is up and running, navigate to the page where you want to download a file. This could be any website offering downloadable content. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your Chrome window. This is the Chrome menu, which gives you access to various settings and options. Click on these three dots to open the drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new tab where you can customize your Chrome experience. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Downloads section. Click on it to view your download settings. Here, you will see your download location. By default, Chrome saves files in the Downloads folder of your user account. If you want to change this location, you can click on the Change button and select a new folder where you'd like your downloads to be saved. Additionally, if you prefer to choose a specific location for each download, you can enable the option that says, Ask where to save each file before downloading. This way, every time you initiate a download, Chrome will prompt you to select a location. If you're ever unsure about where a file has been downloaded, there's an easy way to check. Simply enter Chrome://downloads in the address bar and press Enter. This will bring up a list of all your recent downloads along with their locations. In summary, finding and managing your download location in Google Chrome is straightforward. Just remember to open Chrome, access the settings via the three dots, navigate to Downloads, and adjust your preferences as needed. You'll never lose track of your files again. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively.